it slow, let the river flow. Sunlight dancing on the roads, I know. No rush, no race, just a heart set free. Every little step writes the story of me. Hey, you feel the wind, let the moment stay. Golden skies are painting every day. Not chasing the end, just loving the way. Living every heartbeat along the way. Yeah, yeah. Cruising through the highs and the lows tonight. Stars above shining soft in the city lights. Dreams don't bloom in a single day. Every small move is a part of the play. Gotta smile for the rain, gotta smile for the sun. Every chapter matters, every mile that's a run. No need to hurry, no need to compete. Life got a rhythm and I'm feeling the beat. Mountains ahead, but the view looks nice. Lessons turning ordinary moments to go twice. Every turn, every curve, every unexpected scene makes the picture brighter than it's ever been. Yeah, 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 yeah. City wakes in morning haze, living through these golden days. Every corner holds a tune, chasing shadows of the moon. Something shifted in the air, I can feel it everywhere. This new rhythm's taking hold, a story waiting to unfold. Golden glow, on the go, moving fast, moving slow. Clap my hands, feel the sound, spinning all the way around. Golden glow, shining bright, yeah, I'm living in the light. 3, 2, 1, the fun's begun. This is how my good times run. Yeah, the good times run. Pavement cracks look like a map, steering clear of every trap of a world that felt so gray. Everything has changed today. If I stumble, I won't mind. Leave the worries all behind. Of the gray and of the doubt, time to finally let it out. Golden glow, on the go, moving fast, moving slow. Clap my hands, feel the sound, spinning all the way around. Golden glow, shining bright, yeah, I'm
Guys, tapos na akong gupitan ni Eric. Wow, ang ganda. Ah, ang galing. 'Di ba? Libre pa. Mahal kasi ng paggupit dito, guys, eh. Kaya DIY na lang ba? Si Eric na. Ayan, guys. Wala na yung mahaba kong hair. 'Di ba? Ngayon, guys, pupunta naman kami ngayon sa Woolworths. Bibili ng pangkulay para magpantay yung kulay ng hair ko. Ayan. Papakulay ako ng hair kay Eric. Libre. Bye, guys. See you. Ayan, guys. Lalabas kami ngayon at bibili ng pangkulay ng buhok. Anong dala mo yung susi, ma? My loves? Ayan, guys. Palabas kami ngayon. Maglalakad kami papunta dun sa bilihan ng buhok. Ay, ng buhok. Ano ba? Guys, galing na kami sa Aldi pero walang pangkulay ng hair. Kaya pupunta kami ngayon dun sa kabila. Sa kabilang store. Woolworths. At dun kami magtitingin ng pangkulay ng hair. Ayan, guys. Ang new hair ko, ginupit ni Eric. Mahal kasi sa salon dito, guys, eh. Kaya, na lang, nagpagupit na lang ako kay Eric. Ay, maglalakad kami, guys, papunta doon sa kabilang store. Ganda ng sikat ng araw ngayon, guys. guys, magbubulalo kami. Bumili kami ng mga ingredients para sa bulalo. Melas, pakita mo nga yan. Ingredients para sa bulalo. Hindi makita. Bakit ganun? Hindi makita. Di, sige, yung basket na lang. Hindi, ibaba mo. Yan. Yan, guys. Ulan. Guys, pauwi na po kami. Bye!